Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay in the CapCut PC. So to add overlay, you need to first prepare a main video and then just import your overlay video to the CapCut PC first. If you haven't, click on import and then upload your overlay video. So here I'm going to find the overlay video. Okay, let's say I'm going to add this retro lens flare overlay. Click on open and it will be add to the CapCut PC like this. Just wait until it's fully imported to the CapCut PC. Okay, so after that, just click on the plus icon to add it to the track and drag it on top of the main video to make it as overlay. So I'm going to drag it to the top like this. Now I'm going to just trim it or split the rest of the part that I don't use. Click on a clip and use delete right here. Then to make it blend with the main video, just click on the overlay, go to basic, scroll down until you find the blend option here, and here you can choose the mode. I'm going to use overlay. Then I'm going to lower the opacity like this, and now the overlay and main video will be blend like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks. Thank you.